Hey my lovelies, this is Matula and today I'm showing you how to make a yogurt, a dairy-free, a nut-free, and everything-free yogurt. Now I want you to treat this as a meal. It's very filling. I create this for myself on a regular basis and I've been eating these fruits near enough every day for the past, I would say, 4 weeks straight, and my skin is looking amazing. My hair and my nails, they're growing very strong and very fast. So I'm working with some ripe fruits. These fruits were really, really ripe and juicy. My Lord. This yogurt / smoothie, whatever you want to call it here, is incredible. So I'm working with the Jamaican seeded oranges, just 2. I worked with roughly 4 mangoes, half of a really ripe papaya, and there you have it.